अभिषेक, हार्दिक, ओके ओके ठीक है, मैं इसी तरह से करता हूँ, हाँ डिक्टेट करता हूँ, गुड. So just we are talking about how we can find out the tag within your value. So you can write over here, just like if you want to find something like within input, this is my parent tag, and within parent tag, I want to find out just a name whose name is equal to T. So this is how we can find out one by one tag over the website or over the XML document. मतलब मुझे कोई इनपुट टैग में से जिसका नाम D है, जिस कंपोनेंट का नाम D है, so I just find out that particular component. So you can find out with the help of this. This is your relative tag. So we'll let you know how we perform relative and absolute tag. ठीक है, अगली स्लाइड में बताऊंगा. तो समझ में आया कुछ कि एक्स पाथ एक्चुअल में क्या होता है. जैसे हम डॉम ऑब्जेक्ट गेट एलिमेंट आईडी बाय और गेट एलिमेंट बाय नेम, गेट एलिमेंट बाय इनर एचटीएमएल, तो ये वैसा ही कुछ है. अगर हमें कुछ पाथ डिफाइन करना है, वी वांट सम पाथ फ्रॉम द एक्सएमएल डॉक्यूमेंट, सो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट. ओके, so let me show you one example. Let's say we have this example, bookstore, and within bookstore we have two different objects or two different books. So book category cooking and book category is children. So both the categories are different, and within that we have some language attribute and title, author, year, price. Again we have second book and we have some title, author, year and price. Okay, so in this case, next इस केस में क्या होगा, वी हैव टू सेम नेम डेटा. जैसे आपने कन्फ्लिक्ट वाला दूर करना था, अब इसमें कन्फ्लिक्ट और किस तरीके से डेटा को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना हो विदाउट कन्फ्लिक्टिंग, या मतलब हमें डेटा ही ऐसे लेना. वी हैव सेम नेम टैग. लाइक आपने जैसे फ्रेंड के लिए बनाई थी लिस्ट किसी ने, तो उसमें कन्फ्लिक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. तो इफ यू वांट टू extract data from this kind of file, you have a duplicate value, or you can say you have a duplicate tag names. So how we can extract data from there? So we can use some XPath value. So let me show you how we can do that. The one is your there are two types. The one is your absolute and one is your relative. So how the both will work. So let me explain. So in this case, let's say I want to use the absolute path. So in that case, what will happen, we have to define like this. So before that we define slash. After that we need to place bookstore. Bookstore is what? Bookstore is your parent element. And after that we use book, because we have two tag. The one will be the first book tag will be assigned the first index, and the second will be assigned to the second tag. So that's why we are just providing a subscript to book, so that it will take the second book tag. If you are not providing anything, then it will take both the book tag author, because we are getting here what we are getting the author name from this file. So if you want to extract author name from this particular file, so you can assign book slash author. That will give you what? That will give you both the author name. Okay, J.K. Rowling and Gidawin. So you can do one thing more. So if you want to get only one author name, that is second or first, so you can provide index over here within your square brackets. If you provide one, then it will get first one, and if you provide two, it will get second one. Absolute clear हुआ? Is it clear to everyone? सबको क्लियर है बेटा ये? Yes guys, do acknowledge in the chat. It is clear or not? अभिषेक, यशस्वी, हार्दिक, देवांशु, ओके। सो एब्सोल्यूट में क्या रहता है कि हमें एग्जैक्ट वो लोकेशन, मतलब हर एक टैग का नाम पता होना चाहिए। इफ समवन चेंज द टैग, लाइक इफ समवन change bookstore 1, then it will not work for you. This is the disadvantage of what? This is the disadvantage of your absolute tag, absolute XPath. Okay, तो क्या है कि in case you got some dynamic content, okay, in that case, let's say someone set the root element bookstore 1, and within that we have book and the author is same tag, but it will not get the content from the book, because the absolute path will be checked for each and every element. First it will check with the whether a root element is bookstore or not, और अगर first में ही गलती मिल गई, it will not work for you. It will not extract data from this XML file. Now come to the solution for this problem is to use a relative path, a relative XPath. So how we can do that? We just place double slash and then star. What star means here? Can anyone explain? Anyone of you having any idea about this star? No one?
V equals to ED होता है ना, तो V निकालना चाहिए और मुझे सेटिंग करना है, तो मैं इतनी टाइप का कैसे
दिव्यांशी, केतन, दिवांशु, अमृत, मुस्कान, अभिषेक, आकाश, अक्षय, अंकित, अर्पित. Any one of you having any idea why we place star over here? Can you hear me, you all? Okay. Yes, Akshay, can you explain it? Ashwin. अक्षय आसवानी.
होता है A और बाटी, होता है A और बाटी, तो A के भी है तो के भी तो बना पड़ेगा. A नोट A upon B.
Okay, for all author of book 2
A dot C upon B.
no, actually, this is for any kind of root tag. Okay, star is just for any kind of root tag. It doesn't matter whether the root tag is bookstore, it doesn't matter whether the root tag is student or anything. Okay, this star is for the root element. Okay, so it explain you that if you are having any kind of tag over here, the star का मतलब है कोई भी tag root element होगा, but within that if you are having book and slash that author, so it will extract for you. Like मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर example बताई थी. In case of absolute, if you are changing your root name or a root tag name, then it will not extract data from this file. But if you are using relative path, if you are using relative path, then you can change the root name over here. So if you are assigning one bookstore one, or you can assign library, whatever you want, you can write over here, and this star will represent that whatever the root element we have, but within that we must have a tree. Yes. So in that case, so whatever the root we have in the tree, but if you are having some within, you define some tag or you define some data within that tree, so you can extract the data from here with the help of this, with the help of star.
At least securities are required for
क्लियर हुआ बेटा दोनों का?
so we use this leverage method. So if we use three capital,
Just
if we
a
use
second.
three capital, three as a by three method. So if we use three,
Just like we are having this example. So in this case, let's say I'm having different classes and
so if we use
students.
three
So
capital,
when I copy this code
three capital, each
and go
branch
for, let's say
will
there
have
are
a
some tools to check the XPath. So you can
so
go
each
for
branch
these
will have
tools,
a different so
yeah, xpather.com, and you can also go for this particular link. Okay. For you.
so we are using three. If we are using three cluster, each branch will if we are using three cluster, each branch will have. So with each branch will have a three will have. So each branch will have.
So here,
So it's the end branch is given in the cluster.
पहले से already code पढ़ा था.
So we need the end branch is resulting in the result. So 1 by 3 like 2. That is 1 by 3 into the three branches into x number. 1 by 3 each branch is each branch is 1 by 3 into
Generate XPath. So just click over there, and you will get what just all the paths for each and every tag that has an ID. Okay. So you guys can check. Let me so you guys can check the values of these tags you get over here. Let me show you. If you are setting class, student, and then first name.
so we need say x branch
Let me show you.
to let it into the pairs. So 1 by 3 each branch 1 by 3 is
Is it visible to everyone?
one secret use कर दो each branch के लिए मतलब 1 by 3 में pair cancel हो गया.
Okay.
Each branch के लिए 1 by 3.
You can
पूरे के लिए 3 so एक के लिए 1 by 3.
what we have, first name 1 Gazia money. Now again clicking on this.
So if we use this in capital, so each branch will have to capital 1 by 3 each branch will have capital. So if we use 3 capital, it is actually मतलब एक ही में ऐड नहीं कर सकते. तो कभी पकड़ होता है. ये होगा तो कभी पकड़ तो नहीं होगा. इसका जो कैपिटल वो बनता है
Tag over here to go for a single particular path with the help of this. So you can check the text path also. You can generate the X path also, each and every tag, and you can also check for one of your tags. So let me again copy this path and go for the xpath.com over here.
So if we use three capital, so if we use three capital, each branch will have the same. So if we use three capital, so
So you
each
guys
of
can check if you have this code. Let me copy the code again and paste it over here. All and paste. Now, so in this case, you can also go for what? You are also go for class. Then we have student. So you can check over here that we will get all the value of student. Now, if you want to get one of the value, just like the first name. So you will get the first name of it. So this is your live XPath tester. You can check from the xpartner.com. क्लियर हुआ बेटा ये चीज?
electrical technique requires capacity.
Any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Please let me know. Okay. Let's go for the next topic. I hope it is clear to everyone how XPath will work for you as a absolute value and as a you know uh, relative value. And now what we have next topic is XSTL. So आपने क्या देखा है when we are talking about a XML file. So whenever we open it within your browser,
most of the value is total will have to work with that. Most of the capital तीन लेते हैं तो तीन लेते हैं बहुत अच्छी होगी if we use the each branch is sufficient so if we use three capitals each branch so if we use three capitals each branch will have a capital to 1 by 3 मतलब 1 to total है
so whenever you
if we
open
use
your
three capitals each
file,
branch will have capital so if
so
we
it will
use three
show you a
capitals
screen
so
like
each branch
this.
will
Got it?
have capital to 1 by 3
As
so
of
that
we
is add
want
होगा
to
so we need to say x
formatting for them.
branch
Just
is
like
continuing to
I
be
want
added
to
then 1 by 3 from x
paste
into 1
this
to
data
2 में
over
add
your
1 by 3
table.
लीजिए into x कितना नंबर है 1 by 3
If
into
you want to do
1
that,
by 3
what you need to do is
जिसने में
provide
पता डालें
XSTL
तो डाल डालें तो x का लेवल
stands for Extensible
6
Style Language. Okay, and XSTL
1 by 3 into x
stands for ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. मतलब हम एक सिंपल XML फाइल को HTML कंटेंट में कन्वर्ट करें. Here, so XML is a styling language for XML. So XSTL LT is used for transfer XML documents into other format like HTML. Okay, so how we can do that? Just a second, let me show you. So first of all, we have D tag. मेरे पास सिर्फ ये टैग है. Now, we can go for
branches
For styling your document, okay,
1/3
first
value branch.
of all you have to define your first tag, that is your
If we use these
XSL.
capital, if we use
Then
these
let's
capital, each branch will have
define
each
the
branch
properties
will
as
have
style sheet and version. उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, XML annex namespace similar जैसे हमने last time भी करा था, ठीक है, and then we are using
each branch
which
will
template,
use each
XLS
branch
template
will have
match with
certain
class.
if
So
we use the
here
capital, each branch
we
will have
define
capital
this particular name, which we define the define in the XML document. So you can check what I have within this. So we have class tag over here. So you can use this here. And this is your root tag. You can say you can define math equal to your root tag /root. After this, before doing so, you just close your template and close your XSL sheet. After this, you need to create HTML, then close HTML, body, close body, and this is for your heading tag. And after that, you are creating your table border 1, BG color, then light green, first name, last name, nickname. This is the table heading. Now I just want to extract data from the XML file to my XLS. So how we can do that? We use each loop for this. For each you can also use for each within your XSL. So for select is equal to student. So within that, within this file, we have student. And from student, what we need to get value of select first name, value of select last name, value of select nickname. These are the internal tags of student. These are the child tags of student. So we are just creating a row, and within that row we are creating keyboard tables. And then we are just closing this for each loop. Now ये तो आपका हो गया. अब next क्या करेंगे? Next आपको इसको लिंक भी करना है, ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे इसको लिंक करना है, ठीक है. किस तरीके से करना है, सेम वही आपको लाइन लिखनी है. यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ बेटा?
तो मैं फिर बोलता है
HTML. So how we can do that? Is it clear to everyone? So you can also go for the key formatter. So here you have XSLT. So click over here and paste your code. So it is converted. So let me copy this file.
Not charging function to do function.
So when I click over
You
here,
have to
XML document. So I drop this in. Now
what can
So you will get what? You will get the
Yeah,
data. फिर इस डेटा को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया सिंपल आपकी किस लैंग्वेज की HTML लैंग्वेज तो डेटा था उसके अंदर वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ गई अब आप इस पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट को क्या कर सकते हो कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो ठीक है तो मतलब यहाँ से कॉपी करके आप एक HTML फाइल क्रिएट कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेक्स्ट ठीक है वो डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट ओके HTML फॉर्मेट में कैसे दिखेगा वो yes so we have so many online tools for this you can go for it just one by one is it clear to everyone सबको क्लियर है ये
So you think that public speaking is a learnable skill? Then why you feel bad about this? If someone says this to you, excuse me, you should learn.
is it clear Ketan Divanshu इसका जो प्रैक्टिकल है फाइल को क्या करते हैं मैं आपको लैब में बताऊंगा फिर उसके बाद जावा के साथ कैसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं डेटा वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा स्लैब तो आपका सेकंड एक्सपेरिमेंट भी हो जाएगा उसमें आपको ये चीज क्लियर है कोई डाउट है इसमें आप
तो भी आ जाएगा
तो इन दिस केस वो लिंक करने का तरीका था एक्साम्पल स्टाइल से टाइप एक्सेल एंड देन हाइपर रेफरेंस स्टूडेंट डॉट एक्सेल तो ये आपका तरीका था फाइल को लिंक करने का क्योंकि टू द बोथ फाइल ओपन करने को जैसे इसका नाम क्या है स्टूडेंट डॉट एक्सेल ठीक है तो ये आपको इसके साथ लिंक करनी है तो आप इस तरीके से करें इनको so you guys can check this code I'm sharing both of the code over your lab panel okay you guys can check over there So the both the topic are clear or to everyone. We दोनों क्यों यूज करते हैं? Why we use both the tag? Is it clear to everyone? So I'm sending this PPT and you are ready content. So unit 1 and unit 2 is visible. Unit 1